2002 Ford Ranger, 58,000 miles, 4.0 Super Cab 4-door. In absolutely like new condition. Amazing condition. Automatic transmission, 4.0 liter, sliding rear window, tow package, bed liner. I've sold a lot of Ford Rangers. This thing is clean. XLT, power windows, locks, mirrors, cruise, aftermarket radio with Bluetooth, 58,000 original miles. All four doors do open up. Power windows, locks, mirrors, cruise control, 58,000 miles. Aftermarket radio with Bluetooth. Interior is flawless. The vehicle is running. It needs absolutely nothing mechanically or cosmetically. A 2002 Ford Ranger 4.0 liter Super Cab 4-door, 58,000 original miles in absolutely stunning condition.